Hey Neil, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your company's online presence. And upon going through here, I see that you all have these call to actions scattered throughout, which is super good. It makes it easier for people to get a hold of you, which helps conversion with some of the leads. Something I am noticing though is that there's not enough content on the website. And the reason it's really important to have content on the website is because Google has what's called crawlers, and they're crawling the internet 24/7. So they are going through each website's the words, the content that they have on it, seeing what keywords that they have embedded in that content. And at least 1,500 is considered an authority with Google. You need at least 1,500. So depends on your competition. Sometimes you need more than 1,500. But let's take a look at those keywords. An example of one that you would be interested in would be this foundation repair, Oklahoma City. The first thing that we see here are some ads. If we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack, and 30 to 40% of the business goes into this section here. You want to be in the top 3 just because that's what's visible. People usually don't click on this button here or scroll. And so you definitely want to be in the top 3 here. The way to do that is to have a Google My Business profile. Make sure you have more citations, more photos, more 5-star reviews than these businesses here. You want to outrank them. So if we scroll down here, this is the organic search listing. And so Level Up Foundation Repair is the #1 in the organic search. And I didn't see your business on the first page. A lot of people don't scroll down, let alone go past the first page, and so you want to be in the first 3 spots organically, just like in the map packs. You want to be in the top 3 spots. The other percentage of the business goes into here. And so let's take a look at the Powerlift Foundation Repair to see what their business and their website's doing. The first thing here, they also have call to actions. But a big thing here is they don't have enough content, so it'd be really easy to beat them with the content. Let's take a look at the back end of their website. So if I plug in Powerlift Foundation Repair into Ahrefs, it's going to give me some ratings that Google gives websites. And so these 2 ratings here are for the authority and trustworthiness that Google, the rating that Google is giving them. And so it goes into these ratings here are what's called backlinks, which come from referring domains. And a backlink is just a shout out from another website to your website. Google is a huge popularity contest. And quantity is good, but quality is a lot better because some backlinks are spammy. And so spammy backlinks will drop these scores here. So let's compare your site to the Powerlift Foundation Repair. Here you have 19 and 0.1. And so we definitely want to get these numbers up here. The way that we can do that is making sure to get you good quality backlinks and some more referring domains. And you have some 17 organic keywords. We definitely want to get these numbers up and then even beat the Powerlift Foundation Repair. One way to do that is we can go into the backlinks that they have and pick the ones that are good quality and just link those to you as well. If it's working for them, it's going to work for you as well. They do have quite a few organic keywords, so let's see what some of their traffic is looking like. So there's quite a few buyer intent keywords that they have that they're ranking for and they're getting traffic from. Some examples of other keywords that we could use for you are Foundation Repair OKC. 450 people are searching that a month. Foundation Repair Oklahoma City, 450 are searching that. Foundation Repair Tulsa, 400. Tulsa Foundation Repair, 350. Oklahoma City Foundation Repair, 450. And the list just goes on. It just keeps going. And if there's other services that you want to target or other cities that you want to target, you definitely want to make sure that you had those keywords that are actually being searched. Not all of them are the best, and you want to make sure that they are buyer intent, that if they're searching it, they are ready to purchase. So if you'll just add that content to your website, it'll help start boosting the authority of your website, and then you can get the citations and backlinks and everything just to start working on the authority and the trustworthiness of your site so that you can start working towards beating Powerlift Foundation Repair. And if you ever want any help, I'm more than happy to help you. Thank you.